Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to make this morning a egg sausage McMuffin or an egg sausage boo muffin here at home because you do you boo. That's my motto. I've been asked by subscribers to just show what do Kevin and I normally eat for breakfast or what do we eat for lunch. Now, I'll tell you this, we don't eat breakfast, we don't eat lunch, we eat a brunch. We normally eat around 11 o'clock, 11:30, and then we don't eat again until dinner time around 5 or 6. That's what we do. What I want to do today for you is make you an Egg McMuffin, our style, at home, all from scratch. But two things have to happen. First, I want you to look at this. This is why we prep.
Hey, what the? And not just the gas, the box of tomatoes. What the? 75. Not.
There's no reason for foil to be this expensive. This is at Sam's Club. No goddamn reason for this.
Gotta be smoking crack, because I don't care how giant of a size it is. $9.49 for fucking Raisin Bran or $9.99.
$12 for some ground beef.
This is insane. This is $10 for a case of Gatorade.
Y'all, why is Kool-Aid 50 cents? 2 for $1?
Yo, Walmart, word to my mother. $32 though?
So, one thing of chips is $5.50? A small little bag like this?
Can somebody tell me why these chicken wings $30.80 for 10 of them? I might as well go to a restaurant.
Spokane, Washington.
And secondly, I want you to understand, you've got to be willing to get your ass up out of that drive-thru. And you got to start doing things the old-fashioned way. So let's go on a journey. Here we go. Let's make ourselves a boo muffin. What we're going to start with is biscuits. I made these from scratch. It took 2 cups of flour and it took 25 minutes to make me muffins. I got more where that came from. We're going to use my cheese that I shred and have prepped in the freezer. We're going to use my homemade sausage that I paid 77 cents a pound for pork and then made my sausage. And then we're going to use an egg that I got on sale for $1.79 for a dozen. So let's get started here. So doing it the old-fashioned way. For those of you who don't do that, you gotta grab a skillet. Or you can use a microwave. Or you can use an air fryer. Whatever you choose. I'm doing a skillet this morning. That heats up, we'll get our patties made. So I took this out of the freezer and thawed it for a minute and a half in the microwave. And now let's make a couple sausage patties. Oh my God, that smells so good. From the sausage that I made. We bought pork loin steaks when they were on sale for 77 cents a pound. Then I cut them off the bone. That's what's in here are the bones. We're cooking that down, and the meat and the broth will make a lovely addition to our dog's meal. Then you're going to make yourself a little patty. Now I did grind, after I cut up this little sausage off the bone, we ground it in my meat grinder. Then I added my spices, portioned it into a bag for 2 people, and froze it. Now we're going to cook it. That shan't take long. You get 2 eggs, 2 plates. Once the sausage is cooked, I'm going to pop these in the microwave for about 15 seconds just to soften them up a bit so I can cut them in half. I made these last night. And then we're going to put an egg in a bowl with cheese, whip it like a scrambled egg, pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, take it out, look at it, it'll probably be done. And then we'll go another 15 seconds. So 45 seconds total. No different than what they're doing at your drive-thru, popping things in the microwave. So we have our rolls. Did you know you can make sausage from pork loin? Add your own spices to it. Boy, it's good. Real meat. What a concept. No fillers. Not sure which drive-in window has fillers. I just don't want to say. Here, pork here. I have no added fillers. Nothing. Just spices. So each pack of pork that I have individually put in my freezer, the cost on that for 2 people is $1.18. $1.18 for 2 sausage patties. We have 2 eggs at $1.80, so 18 cents would be if there was 10, say 2 more, so about 15 cents for the egg. So we're now at $1.50 for 2 people. My cheese packets are about 25 cents, so at $1.75. And the biscuits, let's get it 10 cents each. So at $1.75, 85, 95. So for under $2, you're not getting that over at Mickey D's. You can have a blue muffin at our house. Now, quite honestly, I could have made those thinner and used that half pack, but I'm making a point. So once again, not to ignore this, I did cut the pork off the bone. Then I ground the pork in my meat grinder to make sausage. The bones, which have a lot of nice meat left on those, I'm cooking those down so that Koji can have all that meat mixed together with the broth. I can throw the bones away, and there's a lot of good meat and fat on there for our dog. So I ground these really well, but I want to assure that they're done inside. So I'm going to pop them in the microwave for about 40 seconds, just to make sure the inside's cooked well. While that's happening, we'll start the eggs. I just do the eggs in these little bowls, like so. Salt and pepper. A little cheese in both. And again, we buy this cheese in block form when it's on sale. Then I shred it here at home. So we always have shredded cheese in the freezer. Now you don't have to add milk. I do it. Just makes the egg fluffier. And it gives it a little bit more substance. Those together. And those are smoking hot. These in the microwave for 15 seconds. Soften them enough to split in half. Now let's get the eggs in the microwave. 40 seconds. In intervals of 40 seconds, then 15 or 30. If I do it all at 1 minute, it like boils up and pops. I get egg everywhere. All right, let's cut these muffins in half. Aren't those beautiful? Put a spit of butter on there. Check the eggs. Let's get our little sausage patty on our McMuffin. Much bigger than that muffin. Look how beautiful that is. Get the spatula, get the egg out of there. Now I like the bowl because it makes it about the size of the muffin. And there's your egg muffin right there. Get the second one out. Look how beautiful that is. And that is what traditionally Kevin eats for breakfast. If you've not made a home sausage yet, check out my video that I'm posting in the next couple days on how to make homemade sausage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. That's why Koji gets it every day.
He's gonna get my backside. He's got a bit of biscuit on the bottom.
You want some porkers? Come here.
Sit. Come
Sit.
in here. Sit. Okay, there you go.
Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good boy.
All gone.
There you go. You have breakfast also. Time for brunch. You do you, boo. As we do our muffin. I'll take a little piece for him. No apologies. You do you, boo.